What if I told you there are planets where it rains glass, worlds covered in endless oceans of lava, and others so dark they swallow almost all light? These are not science fiction. These are real planets discovered by scientists. Today we explore the most terrifying planets ever discovered. Welcome to Nova Fact World. Our first nightmare world is called HD 189733b. At first glance, it looks beautiful, a deep, ocean-like blue color. But don't be fooled. This planet is a gas giant, located about 64 light-years away. Here, winds reach over 8,000 kilometers per hour. And instead of rain, it rains glass. Tiny shards of molten glass are blown sideways across the planet at extreme speeds, not falling from the sky, but slicing through the air horizontally. On HD 189733b, a single moment would be enough to destroy anything. Next, we travel to 55 Cancri E. This is a rocky planet about twice the size of Earth, but its surface is pure hell. Temperatures reach over 2,400 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt metal. Scientists believe 55 Cancri E is covered in massive oceans of lava. The surface glows bright red, like a burning coal. Some theories suggest it may even have lava rain. On this planet, there is no solid ground, only a living, moving ocean of fire. Now let's enter complete darkness. This planet is called TRES-2b. It is the darkest planet ever discovered. It reflects less than 1% of light. That means it's darker than charcoal, darker than black paint. If you were near TRES-2b, you wouldn't see a planet at all, just an empty void in space. A world so dark, it almost doesn't exist visually. Now imagine a planet being destroyed in real time. This is WASP-12b. It orbits extremely close to its star, so close that the star's gravity is literally pulling the planet apart. Its atmosphere is being stretched and consumed. Temperatures exceed 2,500 degrees Celsius. The entire planet glows as it slowly gets eaten. WASP-12b isn't just dangerous, it's dying. Not all terrifying planets are hot. Some are frozen nightmares. Meet OGLE-2005-BLG-390LB. This is one of the coldest planets ever discovered. Temperatures drop to minus 220 degrees Celsius. Everything is frozen solid. No air, no warmth, no life, just endless ice in silence. On OGLE 2005 BLG 390LB, time itself feels frozen. Next is a planet unlike anything we've ever imagined, HATP 7b. Scientists believe this planet has clouds made of vaporized rock, possibly sapphire and ruby particles. But the weather is violent. Extreme winds move these particles across the planet, creating storms of glowing, razor-sharp minerals. The sky may sparkle beautifully, but it's completely deadly. Now let's look at a planet that seems familiar. Kepler 438b is very similar in size to Earth. At first, it looked like a possible home for life. But there's a problem. Its star is extremely active. It releases powerful bursts of radiation. These solar flares hit Kepler 438b constantly. Any life on this planet would be exposed to deadly radiation levels. It may look like Earth, but it's far from safe. Next, we explore GJ1214b, a planet covered almost entirely by water. Sounds peaceful, right? But this is not an ocean like Earth's. The water here may be hundreds of kilometers deep. Under that pressure, water turns into strange, exotic forms. Superheated ice, compressed beyond imagination. There is no land, nowhere to stand, just an endless, crushing ocean. Finally, we arrive at one of the most extreme places in the universe, the PSR B1257+12 system. These planets orbit a pulsar, a dead star. Pulsars emit intense radiation beams. If you stood on one of these planets, you would be bombarded with energy strong enough to destroy atoms. This isn't just dangerous, it's completely lethal. After seeing all these planets, one thing becomes clear. The universe is not a friendly place. Most worlds are extreme, violent, uninhabitable. And somehow, Earth is different. From glass storms on HD 189733b, to lava oceans on 55 Cancri E, to the darkness of TRES 2b, these planets remind us how rare life truly is. So next time you look at the night sky, remember, somewhere out there are worlds more terrifying than your worst nightmares.